Alright guys, what is up? Welcome to a very exciting episode of Hookin' Bass 92, and today I am at the creek today, and what we're gonna do is gonna get some little creek chubs, bluegill, and whatever's in this creek we're gonna target. So I got one rod, one reel, and just a tiny little hook and a hot dog, and we're gonna see what we can get. I'm very excited for this because I haven't done this in a while, so I'm gonna go get the fishing gear stuff, and I'll see you guys at the creek. All right, let's do it. Alright, so that didn't work out. I had flip-flops. I changed to these shoes right there. It's Jordans, but they're very old, but I don't care. So I went inside, got new shoes, and had to get a new hook because a rock broke my hook. So I'm gonna try, I don't know, I gotta go on the other side of the bridge, which I don't know how I'm gonna do because there's so many rocks everywhere and I don't want to fall in the water, so we're gonna see how this goes. I have to get on this side of the bridge. That's where the pool is. I don't think I can fish off the bridge because cars come in that live back here, but nonetheless. So I'm gonna get down here and fish. There's no rocks right there. Well, this is really easy. Oh! Alrighty. So I made it. Just have to get past this. Alright. This looks like a good spot. There's mud. Alright, hop over here. Alright, cool. This is where I wanted to be. Currently set my tripod up here because it's uneven. I don't want it to fall in the water, so crooked. Something's gone biting it, I think. There's no fish. Oh, something just jumped over there. Got one. Oh yeah. Nice. It's a little dude. Little creek chub, they call it. I like fishing for these because it's so easy to, I mean they're so fun to catch. I mean, they put up a little fight with this little micro rod and stuff, so all you have to get is a hot dog and a worm. Alright, that's one. Should be a fish. Oh, I just had a bite. Got another one. Yeah. It's two. Woo, baby. Look at this little guy. It's one smaller than another one. This one has yellow on it instead of all silver. I think this is a creek chub. Another one was a shiner. These are also good for bait fish, so if you really want to use those. All right, see you, little guy. Sorry I interrupted your time getting back in the water, but these are used for bait fish. You can catch mainly catfish and big bass off them. That's what I catch them off of. There's got to be some. I see him jumping. See, there's. I don't know if that's a fish or a bug. I don't know what that is. I can't get them. But go back over here. Let me know where they're at. Another one. Oh, he got off. I'm loving these dogs, these hot dogs. Come on. Take it. Take it. Try a bigger piece this time, see if they will attack aggressively. Huh. Seriously, no bites. That one? Oh, that feels like a big, decent one. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's the biggest one I caught so far today. Look at that one, guys. That was decent, pretty big. Look at that. I mean, look how long it is. It's fat. It's thick. Probably one of the biggest ones we have in here. Oh, creek chub. Alright, see you guys. Woo! That was fun. That one felt like it was like a bluegill or something. See if we can get some more. There's one. Oh, it was like a big one. Oh my gosh. Excuse me, sir. Didn't know you guys get that big in here. Good bait for catfish. Very expensive. They're very expensive at the bait shops. They like charge you a freaking dozen for like 3 of them. Oh, look at that. Just a little guy. Actually, he's a big guy. So, see you, dude. That was freaking awesome. That was the biggest one we caught today. Yeah, baby. Woo! Line's going. Line's going. Line is crap. Something is jumping over there. I need to see what it is. That is why I'm putting this big piece on. There we go. There's one. Nice. Oh, that's a good one. Get in here. My God, he chunks her. Look at this dude. Woohoo! This is oh my God. They get bigger and bigger every time. Look at this guy, big fat boy. Whoa, whoa! Oh, there goes my pole. Look at this guy. Here. Look at him. Freaking guy is huge. Look at the color on him. See ya. I'm afraid he's gonna get hit by a car, so I'm gonna try to catch him, this hot dog. Buddy. I'm gonna go around here and try to get him. It was out here in this. It was out here, running around there. Now I'm gonna try to go down where my house is and get him. I don't know if you can see him, but he's down there. There he is. Treat, look. Look, here. Hey, look. Here. Hey. Come here. What I got food for you. Come here. Sit down. Come here. Come on. Hey. Look, puppy. Here. Some food. I can't get him. Here. Yeah, you want that? Here, see, get that. I can't get it. All right, guys, so I couldn't get the dog. I tried running to get it. I had a hot dog, but it wouldn't come over. It just ran. So hopefully it's safe out there, but I don't know. I think it's gonna be safe because it probably lives around here in one of these houses, so I'm not too worried about it. But the fishing was pretty good. We caught 5 fish. We got a couple of big chubs. I mean, it's all that matters is, it doesn't matter the size of the fish. If I catch fish and you guys see it, that's all that matters, because people enjoy people catching fish. I liked it when I was little. I would go up to the pier when I was on vacation, watch fishermen fish. Even when they were surf fishing, I sit by them and watch them fish. So I was so interested in trying to get one of them, and now I'm old enough. I just like, it's just cool. So I just want to say thanks again for watching another exciting episode of Hookin' Bass 92. And as always, catch big fish. Have a good day. Buddy, I'm gonna go around here and try to get him.